Tired of seeing tiny bundles of asparagus at eye-watering prices in the grocery store? What if I told you your own backyard could become an endless source of these tender gourmet spears, year after year? It's not some magic trick. It's just smart gardening. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform your patch into an asparagus goldmine. Get ready to ditch those expensive trips and start enjoying fresh, homegrown asparagus from your very own garden. The secret to a thriving asparagus patch starts deep down, in the very foundation of your garden, the soil. Asparagus isn't picky, but it absolutely demands good drainage. Think about it like a comfortable bed. Nobody wants to sleep in a soggy mattress, and neither do asparagus roots. So, before you plant a single crown, let's get that soil perfect. We're talking rich, loose, and full of life. That means digging in plenty of organic goodness. Grab a shovel and add a generous helping of well-rotted compost, some aged manure, if you can get your hands on it, or even a good layer of leaf mold. These aren't just fancy terms. They're the building blocks for healthy soil, improving drainage, and feeding your plants for the long haul. While you're at it, grab a simple soil test kit. Asparagus prefers a slightly acidic environment, somewhere between a pH of 6.5 and 7.0. It's like finding the perfect temperature for a relaxing bath. Just right makes all the difference. Now that your soil is ready for its close-up, let's talk about prime real estate. Asparagus plants are sun worshippers. They absolutely need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every single day. This isn't a suggestion. It's a non-negotiable rule if you want those big, fat spears. Imagine your favorite spot to sunbathe. That's where your asparagus wants to be. Don't make the mistake of tucking them away in a shady corner. Take some time to observe your garden throughout the day. Where does the sun hit strongest and longest? That's your sweet spot. A little planning now saves a lot of disappointment later. Once you've got your perfect sunny, well-drained bed, it's time for the real stars of the show, the asparagus crowns. These aren't seeds. They're one-year-old plants, and they give you a fantastic head start. Think of them as tiny, sleeping treasures. When planting, dig a trench about 6 to 8 inches deep and create a little mound in the bottom of that trench. Gently spread the roots of your crown over this mound, like a spider on its back. Then, cover them with just 2 inches of soil, leaving the rest of the trench to fill in gradually as the plants grow. Make sure to space these crown jewels about 12 to 18 inches apart. This gives them plenty of room to spread out and establish themselves for decades of harvests. Yes, decades. Now, here's the tough part, the one that tests every gardener's patience: the harvest. For the first 2 years after planting, you simply cannot harvest any spears. Seriously, don't even think about it. Let those plants put all their energy into building strong root systems. This waiting game is crucial. It's the investment for future abundance. If you harvest too early, you weaken the plant, and you'll get fewer spears in the long run. In the 3rd year, the wait is over. You can finally start harvesting for about 6 to 8 glorious weeks. To harvest, wait until the spears are 6 to 8 inches tall. You can either snap them off clean at the soil line with your fingers. It's incredibly satisfying. Or use a sharp knife to cut them. Whatever you do, don't just pull or break them halfway up. That can damage the developing crowns below. To keep your asparagus patch happy and producing, a little feeding goes a long way. In early spring, just as those first spears start to poke through the soil, give them a boost. You can use a balanced fertilizer, something like a 10-10-10, or simply side dress them with more of that good, rich compost. Spread it around the base of the plants, careful not to bury the emerging spears. This extra nutrition acts like a power-up, helping the plants stay strong and vigorous for the entire growing season.